Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training, and I did my true north and I rotated this view manually, but I had a question today about can you make a video about survey and project base points? Okay. I'll give you a good example of that, but I'm going to open a new project. So I'm going to file here. I'm going to go new and I'm going to go project. We're going to do the architectural template. I'm going to say okay. Now we're in our level 1, but to see the survey point and the base point, you need to be in your site plan, and there they are. Okay, so there's the base point, and I'll tab, and there's the survey point. So they're right together, and if I click it, it's at origin 000, and there you see it also in the properties. Okay, now how they're used. Okay, the project base point defines the origin as 00 of the project coordinate system. It could be positioned on the building for locating things, or uh, and it's basically a relative, project coordinate system that display relative to that point. Now, the survey point is a point in the physical world, like a benchmark, such as geodetic survey marker, survey point. Is used to correctly orientate the building geometry and another coordinate system, such as coordinate system used in civil engineering applications. So, what we're going to do, I'm going to try to give a good example how this works. So, what I want to do, I'm going to go into my insert tab here, and I'm going to link in I'm going to link CAD. I'm going to link in okay, this is from Revit 2018 certification guide exercise manual that I bought a few years ago, and it's from Elise Moss. It's the Revit, that's the name of it, Revit Architecture Certification Guide Exercise. It's probably still available in the later version, but I'm going to select the site plan here, and I'm going to go center to center, and I'm going to go open. So there's our linked AutoCAD file, our survey, and I want to select this, and then I want to, in the properties, I want to select not shared, and then here I want to say acquire the shared coordinates from the imported file, and then I'm going to change it right there, and then here I want to select the location tab and want to enter this address, and that address would be 800 Fallon Street. So Oakland, California. Oakland, CA. So then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna search for that. Hit the search button. Okay, and there it is. We're in California. It says in Alameda, but I think that's Oakland. If I zoom in, actually that's where it is, where this location would be. So here I want to press OK. Now you got to be on the internet to get the correct address, because it's using Google Earth or something. Then I'm gonna say OK. And then here in this box, I want to go reconcile. Now you see what happened. The survey point moved, the base point moved. The survey point is still there. So this base point shifted to this location. So if I select it now, and I'll go to the properties, and I want to get this true north value area. Now the true north is at 90 degrees. So if I select this here in the properties, I'm going to change that to 90. And then I'm going to hit apply. Wow, it changed. Okay, there you go. So now that's at 90 degrees. So now we want to orientate this. We want to use the base point here as a reference for the building. So I want to select this. I'm going to move this imported file here. Select it. And I want to move this point here. So this is what you would do with the base point. You'll just select that here. Now the survey point's still going to be there because that's the survey location. And we'll select that. And here we'll say OK. We'll ignore the warning. We'll say OK here. As you can see, there's our survey point over there now because we rotated it 90 degrees. Now, what we want to do now is we want to activate an insert ribbon here. You want to link a CAD file here. And I think that file was, let me see, I shared coordinates or something. Yeah. There we go. And this is going to be a manual placement. Okay. Any day now. So that's basically what, okay, so now we've got this, and we're going to just place this right here. So what I want to do is I want this, I guess we can go from this point to here. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll go from, so we'll use the modify align tool. So let's go from this line to the very outside edge of the building. So let's tab to this line here. Let's go to wireframe so we can see what's going on here. Yeah. So we get that line there and zoom out. And we've got that one lined up. So then we'll take this one here. We'll align this, that line to this one. So we're right on the point of that building. So right now, this is how you would, this is how base point and, let's see now. Okay, now we want to select this model here now. I'm sorry, cancel this. I'm going to tab to this one. Is that the one? Yeah, we want to select this one. And we want to go shared, right? And you want to go record current position as I shared model. And you want to press change here. And then here, you want to go to site and internal current position. Yep. And then we want to say west. We press OK. Okay, again. Okay, well, that was an older version of Revit. But anyway, that's how you would use the survey point and base points. So now, and then if you want to see this in elevation, let's go to the north elevation. So there we go. We have a height of 26 feet. And there's our model. So that's how you would use the, oops, sorry. That's how this works. 3D view, come on now, yep. So here what we use the survey point and the base point, and that's basically how they work. You're just, like I said, the survey point, if I go back to the site plan here, oops, sorry. If I go back to the site plan here, that's the base point, and here's our survey point way over here. So hey folks, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Please subscribe. Super thanks or whatever. Bye.